In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to generate images using Perplexity AI. First, open any browser and head over to the Perplexity AI website. Once you're there, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option to ask the AI anything. This is where you can input your image prompt. Let's say I type in "a guy in a car" and press enter. The AI will then process your request and show you results. On the left side, you'll notice that the AI provides information related to the prompt you entered. This is the usual AI-generated response based on the text you've provided. But what's important here is the right side. This is where the AI will show you images related to your prompt. Now, it's important to note that these images are just stock photos. They're not generated by AI, but they're closely related to what you've typed in. If you want the AI to actually generate images for you, there's an additional step. You'll need to go back and click on the Generate Image button. However, keep in mind that this feature is only available for users who have a paid subscription to Perplexity AI. Without the subscription, you won't be able to generate unique images, but you can still get access to stock images related to your prompt. And that's how you can generate images in Perplexity AI. If this tutorial was helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick guides on AI tools and software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.